Welcome back to our channel, guys. I'm just gonna dig in today. Look, we have a curry turkey neck, rice and peas, and a piece of tomato. I love tomato, and this is the Jamaican way. So, I'm gonna take a first bite first, and this is the rice and peas. Set my grace off camera. I cool it. You know, I'm so sorry to blow on it. You guys take the first bite. At least I cool it. So babe made this today. She's applauding herself. So I was doing some reading, and I want to share with you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys an image. Let me see. Here, no, wait. Right here. So if you look at the image, the first thing you see, be honest, the first thing you see, baby's gonna be the narrator and read. So it's an animal, of course. So if you see, for instance, like a dove, a pigeon, the first animal that you see, and baby's gonna read the animal, and be honest, you're gonna see if that animal that you saw matches your personality. Okay, babe, go ahead.
A stallion. Horses in general and stallions in particular represent a driving life force that spurs you on to follow your passion. They're also a sign of someone who is capable of maintaining a balance between following their instinctive nature while behaving in a tamed, socially appropriate manner. In addition, those who see the stallion first are likely to embody a strong sexual energy with a fondness for excitement.
I saw a stallion.
No, you didn't.
No. If you saw a stallion, your sex drive is off the chain. That's what it said, right? Okay, babe.
Second, a rooster. If you first notice the rooster, you are someone who shares their enthusiasm for showing off their magnificent to full advantage. Don't mistake that meaning you are cocky, however. Given their known dependability each and every morning, roosters have been lauded for centuries by the Chinese for embodying the 5 virtues. With its crown, it appears civilized. With the spurs on its feet, it is martial. Faced with an enemy, it courageously attacks. In the presence of food, it displays its humanity by clucking for others to join in, while in the early hours, it never fails its duty.
Did you see a rooster? What's the next one, baby?
A crab. The presence of a crab is said to be intended to remind us of several things. That we can't always take a direct path to achieve our goals, but that we must be willing to step sideways and gather a new perspective. That community is vital for growth, but that we also need to self-reflect time in isolation. That we must know when to move and when to withdraw.
I saw a crab.
Is it one of them cases where you're just gonna walk around and say you see all of them?
No, it's one of the cases that when you read, if it sounds good, that's what I saw. Go ahead, baby.
Number 4, a praying mantis. Those who first spot the praying mantis have a deeply rooted need for peace, quiet, and calm. These are people who have been overwhelmed to such an extent by chaos and noise from outside of themselves that they have no choice but to learn how to tune out the external so they can return to their wise inner truth.
And that's a
praying mantis.
Interesting.
Very.
No, if we just be honest and say what you see and listen to what babe is reading and put it together in your thoughts, And see, go ahead, baby.
A wolf. Wolves show themselves to us in times when we need to be reminded that while we are civilized creatures, we all occasionally need to honor the impulses of our wild inner spirit. If the wolf caught your eye, you are a highly organized individual who understands the balance between harmony and discipline. You're a wolf.
I'm a wolf. No, guys, isn't it weird? Human being, animals. That's weird. Make you think, right? Because it sure did make me think. Go ahead, baby.
A dog. If you spotted the dog, you've likely been in need of a reminder to be kind, loyal, and truthful to yourself. You may recently have been neglecting to honor your worth with the self-respect you are due. You have a huge spirit and capacity for love, and because of this, it's extremely difficult for anyone to fully break your spirit.
Guys, when I read it, I was like, this shit is blowing my mind, because what I saw in the image and what I read matches a little bit of my personality. I'm like, no way a dog is like me. No. Go ahead.
An ego. Someone who sees the ego right away is in need of reconnection with their spiritual path. You need to tune back into the messages of your heart so you can fling the doors open wide and soar on your way to your intended purpose. When you are in tune with the ego in your nature, you are balanced in all dimensions of this world. You are free as the air, stand firmly and solid ground, and stay near enough to water to remain well nourished.
I like the ego.
Me
I
too.
like the ego.
Yeah. A butterfly. People who spy the butterfly are those with a gift for graciously embracing change and coming out on the other side only the better for everything they endure. You accept things as they come quickly and shift to flow through whatever comes your way. You also have a highly sensitive side and can be easily upset by the slightest change in environment.
Okay. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you're not too shy, comment below and let us know what you saw in that image. Be honest. Alright. How do you like the curry turkey neck, rice and peas, and a tomato?
Last one. A dove. The dove is the eternal symbol of peace. So if this glorious bird first caught your eye, you are well aware that sometimes the best way to achieve what you want in this world is to stretch out your wings and surrender to the knowledge that the wind will carry you home as long as you have the courage to take the initial leap forward.
I saw a dove.
No, you didn't.
This is good.
People who see the dove first are some of the most gentle and given in the world. They exude a quality of innocence that attracts too many at times.
I saw the dove. I'm telling you, I saw the dove. Now guys, isn't that amazing? I was caught aback when I read it. And I said, oh, babe, I have to read this. And so while babe was reading it, it was like, oh, you two people have to read this. This is good, guys. This would be a typical Sunday dinner in Jamaica, if I was in Jamaica. So babe, whip it up. and I'm tearing it up. Guys, so tell us what you think. About everything that you heard just now. I find it very fascinating. That's why I'm sharing it. Turkey neck have a lot of bone. Okay guys, thank you so much for eating with me. Do comment below and let us know what you saw in the image. What was the first thing you saw in the image? And also, if what you saw, babe read what you saw. Until I meet you again, until I see you again, have a good time, have a fine time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye guys.